Lexi.
Ito Nash, picture Nash. Nash, picture dia.
Aljo, we want another game.
Oh, he wants another game.
Are you sure about that? We want the Zulu rules again. Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
So what game of the night?
Let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first word we drop. All three rings in a bowl. The fastest is the winner. Now that's a ring race.
So our rigorous shall be and remember, boys are in at 1 point, so let's hear about the results with our last one. Another ring! As good as always at the same time. So winner Alvin, listen to that, rigorous at the same time. What do you say?
Hey, what was that cheating? You guys cheated! Oh, we didn't cheat. Azul just used word rating.
Alright, so let's give a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now this time, I'll need an adult volunteer with my bill. So who wants to volunteer? Please raise your hand and I'll choose you. Is there a team? So please join me here on stage and break the wings and tell others. Are green and blue. So these someone is a white naked face striped with small red feathers. Now its scientific name is our Apteropsis. Now that makes say hi to everyone. Say hi. Other side of the button, hello. And now up next to Junior Wings is our blue and gold Macaulay. Now blue and gold Macaulay have a beautiful shade of blue on its back and a solid shade of yellow on its inner wings and belly. So its eyes and beak are solid black. Now its scientific name is Ararona. Now here in the solution part, we have 3 black-gold macaws. Now we have only a Americans and blue and azul earlier in the basketball game. So later, not all nice segments see Goldie. Now we'll see Bandit Pagmay see Goldie and flex her wings. Flex her wings, Goldie. There you go. And now lastly, Eugene Mark is our blue name, Robert Yoshi. Now blue name parents are native in Borneo and here in the Philippines. Now here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Big Boy. Now itong medium ano na bird, ano siya bird na nasa likod sa itong 500 peso bill. Sa mall na siya si Yoshi. Now for your lifespan, Yoshi right there, they can live up to 40 years old. But our macaws Bandit and Goldie, they can live up to 60 to 70 years old. And lastly, if you know that parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for their entire lifetime. And so that is it for your handsome parrots here in Ocean Park. We have Bandit, Goldie, and Yoshi. Now, parts and person learn on the floor. Bandit. Here, you can do it, Goldie. Now, see Goldie find her hidden object. Now, Goldie searching using her psychic powers. And we found it. So now, with the round of applause. Now, next to Junior and Alvin is our umbrella Kamatsu Ninja. Also known as the White Kamatsu or the Great White Crested Kamatsu. Now, these birds are distinguishable from other white Kamatsus because of its woolly white crest, which raises up like an umbrella. And now, lastly, with Junior Mark is our Malupian Kamatsu Snow, also known as the Salmon Crested Kamatsu because of its pinkish white colored feathers. So these endemic birds can be found in the South Archipelago of eastern Indonesia, and they are classified as the largest among the white cockatoos. Now for their lifespan, Queenie and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. While Blue, your Kamatsu right there, the Chick Park can live up to 70 years old. And so that is it for different kinds of Kamatsus here in Ocean Park. We have Snow, Leafy, and Nigel. Alright, make sure I'm kids. So the first number correct. Okay, so complete your answer, please. And there you go. 15 plus 5 is 20. So how about the round of applause? Sports? No. We primarily aquatic animals such as fish, sea snakes, and sea turtles, as well as carriers such as sheep and swans. Alright, for the meantime, I want everyone to please sit down. And don't go near our trainer, please, thank you. Now, so most our trainers are using long, that's what we call a pulmonary blanket. That is protect them from their sharp beaks and talons. And so that's it for white-billed sea eagle, Aggie. Now lastly, for lifebirds, please look to your left as we call it, our homing pigeons. Now these birds are omnivores, meaning they not only like to eat fruit, but also meat as well. Now they can be found in the forest of Mindanao, or they're called as cow, or they walk on the mountains because of its good eyesight. And now Took right here is an excellent good catcher. Alright, now let's show them Took. Okay, first one.
Naku, anak ko na eh.
Okay, last one, Took. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, right here cameras and simple showing age rich. Now in 1, 2, 3. Amazing guys! So now a round of applause for Took. So here at the Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also land and air as well. So who knows, the big arts of proper waste disposal. It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call it once again our lovely bird that is going to show us how to properly dispose our trash. So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reduce plastics, and recycle everything we can. So see if